Here we have this portable travel electric shaver. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So first I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and then we're going to be testing this out. So check it out. This is what it looks like. Super cute UFO style design. Very, very nice. It actually fits like in the palm of my hand. That is how big this product is. It does have a magnetic top, so it's very, very easy to open and close this. Take a look. That is what the top looks like. It is an arc double ring. Let me go ahead and power it on. As you can see, it is not very noisy. It is pretty quiet. The great thing is that this is also waterproof, so you could go ahead and use it with water or in the shower. That is another great feature about this product. It does use Type-C charging. So take a look. That is where the charging port is. A charger is included, so you do get this in your kit, so you are able to go ahead and charge your device. You also get this little duster, so you can go ahead and clean it once you're done. It also has a magnetic head, so as you could see, you could easily remove that if in case you need to clean around it. And again, it is magnetic, so it's very easy to go ahead and snap off and snap back on. Another great thing that is included is this cute travel case. So you can see it is nice and keeps your product protected. So if in case you are traveling, this is amazing because you could go ahead and put your shaver in here and it is nice and protected. So you don't have to worry about running out of battery because you do get up to 60 minutes of battery life, and it also has a 90-minute fast charge. Take a look. I'm going to go ahead and show you the sides. These are the grooves on the sides. Very, very nice. The color is amazing. And this is the other side. Super, super nice. And one of my favorite things is just how portable it is. Overall, if you're looking for a good portable travel shaver, I would definitely recommend. There is no pulling, no tugging, and I love how compact and portable it is.